Mommy, what are you doing today?
Hanging out with my baby.
Hanging out with her baby. Last baby she'll ever have. Poor thing her. She got what she wanted. What do we do when it's raining? We sit around bored. Not really. So, anyways, we were supposed to go do a newborn shoot. But the storms have knocked out all the electricity, so me and Savannah are not going to stay cooped up in this house. Nope, not going to happen. So we got to go to Home Depot, buy some stuff for the yard, and then we're going to go jumping. Savannah's probably going to at one point say she's hungry, if I had to guess. I don't know who she gets that from. I got an idea. And then we're going to head on back. So I'm sure we'll have all kinds of fun today. So, y'all follow along. Go give her a hug. Watch the umbrella.
No, have fun. You really need that. Have fun.
What do we do?
Jump.
And what do we do when we go jumping? What's it like?
You jump high.
Jump high?
Yeah.
You just gotta stay in one spot?
No, they jump everywhere.
You jump around everywhere?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
They walk weird.
Yeah? Can you do a flip?
Yeah.
You can do a flip?
Yeah.
No, you can't.
I can.
Are you gonna show me? Yeah, we can flip. You jump and slide down? What about balls? Are there balls to throw around at people?
Yeah.
What do you want to eat for lunch? You don't know what you want for lunch yet? Oh, you got a hat? What is that? Is that a Paw Patrol hat? Who gave you that? Granny? Your old CG? What's CG stand for? What is Granny?
Apple.
A for apple? Yeah, but what is Granny crazy?
Yeah.
Is that
Yeah,
crazy Granny, old CG? You need your what?
My hat.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on. Climb over them. Hold on. Go, go, go. Hold on tight. Whoa!
That hurt.
Hold on, are you stuck? Are you stuck? Here I come. Where'd you go, say?
You locked me out.
Oh no!
Daddy. Help me.
Grab my foot! Grab my foot! Grab my hole!
Daddy.
You gotta get out. Hey, whoa, where's your sock? You lost your sock.
I think it's your mom.
Whoa! You better run! Go! Shortest jump park experience ever. 45 minutes. Only it's like 2 hours, but somebody had to have an icy. Did you get an icy? Is that your favorite drink ever? Somebody loved, she is an icy-aholic. Told her no ices till we left. Somebody was ready to go. So, on to the next spot, huh, say? You figure out what you want for lunch yet? No? Still thinking about it? Okay. Alright, let's go to the next place. We gotta go to Lowe's and get some stuff for the yard. Okay? Alright. Hope y'all see this. Even Mother Nature wants you to put your buggy back. Oh, oh, oh. Dun dun dun. Poor little sleeping baby. Rainy, dreary day. Buttercups. So we had to run some errands. Say I had to run some errands. Somebody's knocked out. So anyway, I go get these awesome fishing shirts. What? Look at that. They're cute. Matching one. How awesome is that? And then, because I was being nice, if y'all know, you know. But if you don't know, handmade cupcakes. Handmade cupcake shop here. Jamie's favorite wedding cake. Then we got Savannah a birthday cake, even though she'll say rainbow with sprinkles. Let her finish her nap out on the way home, and then we're going to surprise the girls with some buttercups. And we got one more surprise for the sleeping girl, because she has been requesting Mickey D's. What better to wake up to than a Happy Meal? Hopefully they give her a good tour. So, I doubt my wife will even post this, and while she watches it, while she's editing, she's probably going to laugh, roll her eyes, and then delete it. But you know what? While I'm in the mood for it, I'm going to go ahead and talk about it. I'm going to make a little rant. Typically don't even talk about this kind of stuff, but I really don't care what other people's opinions are. You know, today I'm a voice mine. It's going to be about fast food workers, but it's going to be about people in general. If you hate your job, if you legitimately hate your job, you hate your life, change it. Be happy. Get out there, do something. When somebody says thank you, don't respond with or okay, or roll your eyes or huff and puff because somebody seems to be enjoying their day. You know, there's people at work that think I'm unhappy. They say I'm grouchy. And it's not because I'm unhappy. I actually thoroughly enjoy my job. I promise I do. I just take work very serious. But I'm never in any way disrespectful to anybody. I never, if somebody says thank you or if somebody talks to me politely, I'm not going to be rude back to them. If you hate your job that bad, get off your butt and go find one that you like. You know, there's plenty of jobs out there. There's plenty of work out there. If you're not getting paid enough, acquire a skill where you can get paid more. It's not hard. Put a little bit of effort into it. Instead of sitting at home watching TV, go and do something. People often ask me and Jamie, they say, what kind of TV shows do you watch? We don't ever watch TV. Why? Because we're always going. always on the move, constantly. I cut grass on the side almost 6 days a week. I work dogs almost every day. I go to the gym. I do cardio. I don't have time for TV. If you're sitting at home watching TV, you're being unproductive. You're taking a little bit out of your day that you could be doing something productive with. I try to teach that with the little one. I try to get her going. If you ask her how you work hard. Hard work is the answer to a lot of people's problems. But sitting around being lazy and unproductive is not going to get you anywhere in life except for even more lazy. So, anyways, ran over.